Welcome to Knowledge Plaza. Click on subscribe button, click on bell icon and select all. And thumbs up for more videos. Namaste. Once again, welcome to Knowledge Plaza YouTube channel. It's all about mathematics. So today I am before you to discuss more about some applications of trigonometry. In that, I'm going to discuss about problems on angles of depression. Okay. So let us discuss about it by having some pre-knowledge about the angle of depression. Okay. So here I'm going to consider a situation, that is, look at here. Here is a building. In that building, on the top of the building, there is a person standing and he is looking at the ball. Okay, here is a ball on the ground, which is just apart from the building. Okay, and the man or the person is looking towards that ball downward. Okay, and here the line of line which is drawn from the eyesight of the observer to the ball, it is an imaginary line, and that imaginary line is known as the line of sight. Okay, whatever the observer want to observe is taken as a line of sight. Okay, the line drawn from the eyesight of the observer to which is parallel to the ground is known as a horizontal level. Okay, and in between horizontal level and the line of sight there is an angle formed. Okay, and that angle is known as the angle of depression. Okay, angle of depression is formed when an observer looking downward. Okay, when he is on the top of the floor and he is looking towards the down, then angle of depression is formed. Okay, so this concept is very important to understand the problems and to solve the problems on the concept of angle of depression. Okay, so let us discuss about this concept by having some examples. Okay, here is a question. Let us see what is there in that. The angle of depression of the top and bottom of the 8-meter tall building from the top of the multi-storied building are 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. Find the height of the multi-storied building and the distance between the two buildings. Here are two buildings. One is multi-storied building and one is the 8-meter tall building. Okay, let us draw them. Okay, here PC is a multi-storied building. Okay, and one more building there. It is a small building which is AB of height 8 meter. Okay, and they are separated by a distance. We need to find them. Okay, and then here what they are given. The top and bottom of the small 8-meter tall building are the angle of depression they are given here. Okay, the top here, B point is the top of the 8-meter tall building, and which is at an angle at 30 degree. Angle of depression. Angle of depression is taken from the height of the building, that is PC. So that is 30 degree. Okay, and the bottom of that building is 45 degree. Okay, so these are the angle of depressions of the two buildings. Okay, and here we are going to draw the imaginary line to EP, which is parallel. Okay, and here let us mark this point as D. AB is equal to PD, that is also 8 meter. Okay, next you want to find this distance. Okay, if you find that, you will getting the height of the building. Okay, let us find it, and before going to find them, firstly we have to arrange here that the angles here, that is marking one more point. It has a Q. QC is parallel to BD and BD is also parallel to AP. Okay, whenever the lines are parallel and the transversal is intersecting them, then the interior alternate angles are equal, right? So here angle QCB is equal to angle CBD. That means it will be 30 degree. Okay, and same for this one, angle QCA, which is equal to CAP. It is 45 degree. Okay, interior alternate angles. Okay, here in triangle, there are two triangles we have to consider here, CBD and ACP. Okay, let us consider them. In triangle BCD or CBD. Okay, in the triangle we don't know the BD and also we don't know that CD. Okay, now what can we do here? To apply the, what we have to find, you need to find the height and also find the distance between them. Okay, so to find that which trigonometric ratio we have to apply here, that is tan theta we have to apply here. Let us apply it. Tan 30 is equal to, tan 30 is opposite by hypotenuse, sorry, opposite by adjacent, that is opposite is CD by adjacent is BD, right? Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3, which is equal to CD by BD. Okay, then it can also be written as CD is equal to, BD is multiplied to the 1 and it becomes BD, and then root 3 is multiplied to the CD and it becomes CD into root 3 or root 3 into CD. Okay, call this as equation 1. Now in triangle ACP, okay, here we need to find AP and also we need to find PC. PC is the height of the building. Okay, so how can we solve it? Again, by applying the tan. Okay, tan 45 degree, because the angle of depression is 45 degree there. So tan 45 is equal to PC by AP. Okay, PC by AP. Tan 45 is 1, which is equal to PC by AP. Then AP is equal to PC, right? That means height of the multi-storied building is equal to the distance between the two buildings. Okay, a tall building and the multi-storied building. Okay, they are equal, height and the distance are equal. Okay, from this equation we found that height and distance are equal. Now let us find that height. Okay, from the figure we can write here PC as PC is equal to CD plus PD, right? CD we found. So here AP is equal to, AP is also equal to BD. Okay, that means BD is found now. BD is equal to CD into root 3. So AP is equal to PC, then B, which is also equal to BD, right? So we can write here PC as CD into root 3, right? And the CD as it is plus PD, we found we know that is 8 meter, because AB is equal to PD. Okay, and then simplify it. CD is transferred to the left side, it becomes CD into root 3 minus 1 is equal to into C minus CD is equal to 8. Then CD is common here, let us common out CD as common, and here what is left, root 3 minus 1, which is equal to 8. Then CD is equal to 8 by root 3 minus 1. 8 by root 3 minus 1. We found that CD. Okay, and next you can find the height of the building, that is PC. Okay, let us find it. Here already we know that PC is equal to CD plus PD, right? CD we found, that is 8 by root 3 minus 1 plus PD is 8. Then what will be obtaining? 8 by root 3 minus 1 can be written as 8 by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1 plus, root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1 plus 8. Then if we simplify it, we are getting simplify these two terms, then we are getting 8 into root 3 plus 1, and here root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. It is of the form a square minus b square. Then we are getting 3 minus 1 plus 8. Next, here we are getting 8 root 3 plus 1 plus 8 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 4s are. Now we can write, we are getting 4 root 3 plus 4, multiply this 4 to the root 3 plus 1, and then plus 8 as it is, and next 4 plus 8, 12, 4 plus 4 root 3 plus 12. Next we can come out here 4, so we'll be root 3 as it is in the first term, and here 3 left. So it is the answer. That is the height of the height and distance of the buildings is 4 root 3 plus 3 meter. Okay, we have to apply and find the solution for the given problems. Okay, so here these like problems are very important for 4-mark questions. Okay, like these questions are very important for the examination, and here the little confusions will be obtaining for you while solving the problems. So in order to overcome that, you must have to work hard, and you have to work and practice more. You will get overcome these problems of facing the confusions in the middle of the problems. Okay, so let us discuss about a few more examples. Okay, let us discuss about the next example. Question will be showing on your screen. Please note there. From a point on a bridge across a river, the angle of depression of the banks on opposite sides of the river are 30 degree and 45 degree respectively if the bridge is at a height of 3 meter from the banks. Find the width of the river. Okay, so here we need to find the width of the river. So to solve this, let us draw the rough sketch diagram. The figure here, there is a bridge. In that bridge, a person standing, or we are going to consider a point which is on the bridge, and from that point there is an angle of depression on both sides of the banks. Okay, there are 2 banks on the for the river. Let us name them A, B. Okay, to these points, the angle of depression from that point A are 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. Okay, and the height of the bridge is given, that is 3 meter. Okay, now we are going to find the width of the river. Width of the river, and that is AB. We need to find. Okay, to find that, let us consider here the point as C. Okay, this point as C. Okay, from point C, and that is the height of the bridge. Okay, here we are going to consider the 2 triangles. In that, one triangle is a triangle ACP. In triangle ACP, here the angle can be written as here because they are the interior alternate angle. Here also we can write this as 45 degree. Okay, now apply the trigonometric ratio. Which trigonometric ratio can we apply here? We can apply here. You have to, in order to find the AC, we need to apply tan theta or cot theta. Okay, so tan 30 is equal to PC by AC, right? PC by AC. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 into AC. AC we need to find. AC is equal to PC is that is 3. Okay, then AC is equal to AC is multiplied directly to the left side, 3 root 3. Okay, 3 root 3 meter. And next we need to find the BC. Okay, so let us find it. There also we can apply tan theta. So in triangle PCB, what can we have? Tan 45 degree is equal to PC by BC. PC by BC. Tan 45 is 1, which is equal to PC by PC is 3 meter by BC, right as it is. Then BC is equal to 1 by 3. Sorry, 310. 3 meter. BC is 3 meter, and then we can find the width of the river. That is AB. AB is equal to AC plus BC or CB. AC is 3 root 3 plus BC is 3. Then we can come out here 3, and then we are getting root 3 plus 1 is the width of the river. Okay, in this simple way we can solve the trigonometrical problems and real situational problems. Okay, let us see one more example. Okay, let us discuss about the next example. The question will be showing on your screen. Observe there. A straight highway leads to the foot of the tower. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of a depression 30 degree, which is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. Find the time taken by the car to reach foot of the tower from this point. Okay, here there is a tower and then highway. Okay, here is an highway and the tower is there here, and in the above the tower there is a man standing. Okay, and he is observing a car from that point, and that is here is a car. Let me mark this point as a C, and he observed the car at an angle of depression, that is 30 degree. Okay, when the car moves after 6 seconds, it travels some distance, right? It travels some distance. Let me take this as D. Okay, so at this point the angle of depression is 60 degree. Okay, there you go, 60 degree, the angle of depression at that point. Okay, here what we have to find, the time taken by the car to move from D to B. Okay, that is we have to take as Y, and it has X. In 6 seconds it travels X distance, and in what time it travels Y distance. Okay, so here the height of the tower is taken as H. Okay, here the angles can also be written as the alternate angles, that is angle C is equal to 30 degree and angle D is equal to 60 degree. Okay, now here we have two triangles. Let us solve this problem by considering the triangle. In triangle ACB, okay, which trigonometric ratio can we apply here? You can apply here the tan theta only. Okay, so tan 30 degree is equal to opposite is AB by adjacent is CB. So AB is taken as H by BC is taken as X plus Y. Okay, so it can also be tan 30 is 1 by root 3, which is equal to H by X plus Y, right? Then X plus Y is equal to H into root 3. Call this as equation 1. Okay, now again let us consider one more triangle, that is ADB. In triangle ADB, we need to find the distance Y, and also to find the H. So here also we can apply the tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to H by Y. Okay, then tan 60 is, what is the value of tan 60? It is root 3 is equal to H by Y. Then H is equal to root 3 into Y. Okay, call this as equation 2. Okay, now here we are going to substitute H value in equation 1. What we get in X plus Y is equal to H is root 3 into Y into root 3. Okay, root 3 into root 3 is 3 only, 3, 1. X plus Y is equal to 3Y, then X is equal to 2Y. That means the time it shows that the time taken to travel a distance of X is equal to 2 times the time taken by to travel a distance Y. Okay, so that means the time taken by the X to travel a distance of X is 6 seconds, which is equal to 2 times the Y. Then Y is equal to 6 by 2, that means 3 seconds. Y is equal to 3 seconds. The time taken to travel a distance of Y is 3 seconds. Okay, so in this way simply we can solve the examples. Okay, if you have any doubts in this type of questions, you may ask in the comment box. Okay, let us see one more example. Okay, let us see the next example. The question will be on your screen. See that the angles of elevation of the top of the tower from the 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower and in the same straight line with it complementary. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. Okay, understand the question properly. The angles of elevations of the top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower and in the same straight line. That means there is a tower. Okay, let us mark this point tower as AB. Okay, from the top of the tower there are 2 points which are 4 meter apart from the base and 9 meter apart from the base. Let us mark these points as C and D. BC is 4 meter and BD is 9 meter. Okay, and the angle formed at the point of ground is are complementary. They are told. That means if the angle C as x, then angle D must be 90 minus x. Okay, if suppose we have taken angle D as x, then angle C must be 90 minus x, because they said that the angles formed are complementary angles. Okay, so here the height of the building is, let me take h. Okay, here what we have to find, we have to prove here. Okay, height of the building is equal to 6 meter. Okay, so this like question will be asking for your examination, and once the question was asked in the 2018 examination, so 2018-19 examination. Okay, in annual examination the question is asked. Okay, so this like question are very important for the examination for 4 mark. Okay, let us solve this. Here firstly we shall consider the triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, what can you find here? H. Okay, angle X is known that, and we know that the BC. So here we can apply tan X. Tan X is equal to H by BC. BC is H by 4. Okay, tan X is equal to H by 4. Also equation 1. And in triangle ABD, in that triangle we can also apply tan. So tan 90 minus x is equal to same, that is the ratio is not changing, so here it is h by bd, right? So tan 90 minus x is cot x, which is equal to h by bd is 9. Also equation 2. In order to prove the height of the building is 6 meter, then here we have to multiply the equation 1 and 2. Multiply equation 1 and 2. Then we are getting tan x into cot x is equal to LHS or to be multiplied to the LHS and RHS multiplied to the RHS only, h by 4 into h by 9. Okay, and we are getting tan x and cot x can be written as tan x into cot x can be written as 1 by tan x, because they are the reciprocals. They have the reciprocal relations. And here h is multiplied to the h, and it becomes h square by 4 9s are 36. Next, if we simplify it, we are getting, what will we get in? Tan x and tan x get cancelled. That means 1 is equal to h square by 36. Then h square is equal to 36. 36 will multiply with the left side, and it becomes h square is equal to 36. Then square it on both sides, we are getting h is equal to plus or minus 6. Hence we prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. Okay, so like these questions will be asking for your examination. Be concentrate on your examination and keep study the material which we are providing. Okay, don't waste the time, and you will not getting the much more time to prepare for the examination. Okay, so If you have any doubts in this type of problems, you may ask in the comment box. Uh, Please like, share and subscribe the channel. For getting notification, you have to press the bell icon. Okay. Thank you. Keep watching the channel.